Hello，呢個係 Day Five 啊，我又係拍定先嘅，我仲喺2月13號，但我拍緊2月15號嘅片。OK，咁就講一條就同頭先講嗰條 Canota，即係上一日嘅 Canota 嗰條咧就有啲似嘅啦，就係、用翻 M1 2024嘅 Q2啦。咁就佢話喺個 orchestra 嗰度咧就3/5嘅 members 咧就 wear glasses 嘅。咁 amongst the male members 咧，咁就即係如果佢係 male members 嘅話咧，咁佢 wear glasses 嘅機會率咧就係4/9啦。咁然之後咧，佢就話個機會率即係 randomly selected member is a female not wearing glasses 咧，即係佢係 female，但係咧佢同一時間佢又唔戴眼鏡嘅，就3/20。咁就去到考試咧，即係如果你發覺你唔係好夠時間啦，平時咁你就冇 define 嗰啲咩 G 啊 M 啊。如果有時間嘅話，你補翻一句 define，即係譬如話你 let G 咧就係 event that members wear glasses。冇就算啦，最多俾佢扣一分嘅啫，我估。我反而覺得通常都唔扣嘅，咁就係咯。你有時間就寫翻啦，咁樣係啦。咁其實佢呢度 given 咧就 randomly selected member does not wear glasses。咁如果佢唔戴眼鏡，佢哋揾翻個機會率佢係女仔。咁嗱，你諗一諗個思路啦。你見到呢條色，一睇就知道就係咁樣啦。咁你有戴眼仔嘅，戴眼鏡嘅機會率咧，咁就即係你會有唔戴眼鏡嘅機會率啦。咁跟住咧，呢度已經見到啦，對呢個都有嘅分子。咁所以咧，佢個 required probability 都係超簡單嘅，就係照抄翻3/20，跟住除翻1減3/5，咁啊即係3/8啦。OK， 跟住就到 B part 啦。B part 咧佢就話揾翻個機會率咧，個 members is a female wearing glasses。即係 P、F and G 啊！呢度我即刻就諗起就係睇下先啊，我哋頭先揾咗啲咩啊？係啦，就因為我手頭上有 P、F and G dash 啦，咁又見到 P、F and G 喎，呢兩個加埋咧就會係 P-F 啊嘛。咁所以咧個重點咧就係要揾翻 P-F 嗰個 proportion 係幾多。咁我哋可以畫翻個 chi diagram 嘅。咁 M-F 咁假設個 proportion 咧就係 P 同1減 P 啦，好似頭先 Canota 嗰條啊，即係琴日 Canota 嗰條啦。跟住咧佢戴眼鏡同埋唔戴眼鏡，戴眼鏡同埋唔戴眼鏡，個男仔女仔。跟住就先啊，G， 跟住我仲可以做啲咩啊？啲咩未用嘅咧？係啦，跟住呢度咧，佢話 among the male members 咧就有4/9咧就係 wearing glasses 嘅，咁即係有5/9就唔 wearing glasses 啦。跟住咧就係啦。跟住頭先咧，我哋就應該計咗就係 P， 睇下先啊 ，P 係啦 ，P、F and G 啊，呢度，即係同我俾咗你㗎 ，P、F and G dash 係啦 ，P、F and G dash 就同我俾咗你嘅，即係呢條 path。咁 我哋又知道 PG dash 咧，佢就係1減3/5啊嘛，即係有40% 嘅人唔戴眼鏡嘅。咁而唔戴眼鏡咧，就係由呢2條 path 所組成嘅。咁所以咧，我哋就可以咁寫啦，就係1減 P。又係咧，你 let 翻個 P 係咩 proportion of 咩 F of female 就咁算啦，proportion of female 啦，好趕時間啦，因為咁咧，跟住之後咧 PG dash 咧，佢就係、就係呢2條 path，即係上面嗰個就係1減 P 乘5/9啦，下邊嗰個咧就成嚿嘢就係3/20。今日都係2/5啦，成嚿3/20，寫翻個3/20喺度先。跟住之後你就會計到個 P 咧，就會係11/20啦。女仔多少少啦。咁跟住之後咧，頭先我個思路係點啊？係啦，咁我就計咗呢個 PF 嘅機會率啦。咁跟住咧就即係話我要處理 PF and G 咧，即係呢個 male wearing glasses 咧，就純粹係將個 PF 即係1/20，11/20，跟住減翻咧呢個 PF and G dash 啊，即係咩啊？即係綠色 highlight 嗰個題目俾你嗰個，跟住減一減，減一減之後就係答案嚟㗎啦。2/5啊，就係咁啦，係啦，咁就要畫啲 tree diagram 啦，同埋用啲 conditional probability 嘅。好啦，就去到呢一度啦，呢個係 day 5。